Hello friends and welcome to Passion for Cooking. Today's recipe is chicken 65. For this we will need 250 grams of boneless chicken. To it add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd depending on thickness, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed pepper. Chicken masala can be replaced with garam masala. Now mix all the ingredients and coat the chicken pieces evenly. Once mixed, marinate it for around 30 minutes. Marination helps chicken to absorb flavors and become tender once it is fried. After 30 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. If rice flour is not available, you can add 1 more tablespoon of corn flour. Now mix the chicken pieces with the flour and coat them uniformly. If needed, you can add 1 more tablespoon of curd or half tablespoon of curd to adjust the consistency. Chicken pieces should be coated like this. Now heat the oil in kadai and drop chicken pieces to it. Fry on low flame until nicely brown. Do not add too many pieces at a time. They get stuck to each other. Once done, remove them on tissue paper. You can eat these fried chicken pieces with sauce and you can skip the second part of the recipe. You can also use red color in this recipe to get even more dark color. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use same oil which you used for frying the chicken pieces. Add 7 to 8 garlic cloves chopped, which is around 1 teaspoon. Add 2 red chilies, dried or fresh. Add 18 to 20 curry leaves. Curry leaves are one of the important ingredients in this recipe. You need to stir fry this until these curry leaves turn crispy. Add fried chicken pieces and stir fry. This tadka adds nice flavor to your fried chicken. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander. Crispy and spicy chicken 65 is ready to be served. Thank you guys for watching the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.